Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this LED rechargeable headlamp. As you can see, there is the sticker, Bob Kid headlamp rechargeable, the model KJ-C9103. Nothing to really show you around the box. Break the seal and open it up. So we have an included USB Type-C cable to charge up this rechargeable headlamp. Then we have the actual, wow, this is heavy duty, headlamp and instructions. That's it for the box. So nice little instruction set here, giving you all the details. The waterproof, the charging time 6 to 8 hours, working time is 6 hours on low brightness, 12 hours on medium brightness, and 4 on high, and 12 hours on SOS red light. Then this is our rechargeable headlamp. Very, very heavy duty. Dang, nice bright lamp right in the front. This is adjustable as you may need, and your power button's even there, so that's how you turn it on. Wow, that's bright. And you can go to the 2 on the sides, or all 3, or the SOS red. Back here seems to be a light for behind you, like if you're on a bike or something like that at night. And it has, wow, that's like almost police lights. Very cool. Also, I believe this is where your battery pack is, since your USB-C port to charge it is right here. I'm gonna take this outside at night and show you exactly how much this lights up our yard in the darkness. Well, let's go. Very nice, very bright. This is with the main light on. You can see, I mean, this thing is bright. Wow, this will be great for like abandoned places when I make other videos. And then this is the 2 on the side. This is the 2 on the side and the 1 in front. And then just the red flashing lights for SOS. I mean, that is a perfect circle. You can see forever with this thing. Absolutely love it. 2 massive thumbs up. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.